Hello everyone, crochet shawl, rectangular shawl knitting pattern. Have a look. 280 chains, 1 2 3 3 chains and 3 double crochet. Skip 3 chains. 1 2 then 3 chains. 1 2 3 3 chain and double crochet. Skip 3 here. 1 2 3 and then 3 double crochet. So this is a rectangular shawl. I started and I'm making lengthwise, and I put 280 chains. So the pattern is very easy for the beginners, and when I finish this one, then I show you the whole look of the shawl. Should be very nice. So very easy. 3 chain, skip, and 3 double crochet. 3 chain and 3 double crochet, and the pattern look like that. So it's so beautiful. You can see here.